So here we will discuss about this topic, that what is physics, right? So the word physics has been derived from the Greek word physis, which means nature, right? So its Sanskrit name is bhautiki, which means the study of physical world. So physics may be defined as the branch of science which is used to describe the nature and behavior of the world around us, right? So in other words, we may describe physics as a study of basic laws of nature and natural phenomena. So natural phenomena includes lightning, gravity, rainbows, electricity, etc. Right? Now the next is physicists are the scientists who study physics, right? So Sir C.V. Raman, Acharya J.C. Bose, Professor M.N. Saha, Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Professor S.N. Bose, Dr. C.S. Chandrasekhar are the names of some famous Indian physicists. So let's continue this. So physics is the most basic of all branches of science. It is considered as an evolving subject, approaching closer and more closer to the truth, right? So classical physics. So it is the compilation of study of the physical phenomena. So physical phenomena includes the gravity, rainbows, electricity, etc. And laws mostly by the end of 19th century is called the classical physics, and it includes following subjects. So first one is the mechanics, right? So what is mechanics? It deals with the motion. So what is motion? Movement of an object, right? So now it is the next is the equilibrium. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is the state of balance of objects and laws governing the same. So it is based on the Newton's laws of motion. So Newton has given us three laws of motion. So the first law states that an object will not change its position or motion unless a force acts on it, right? Second law states that the force on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. Third law states that when two objects interact, they apply forces to each other of equal magnitude and opposite direction, right? So these were the three laws of motion which were given by the Newton, right? And the next is heat and thermodynamics. So what is thermodynamics? It is the study of relations between heat, work, temperature and energy, right? So it deals with the measurement of heat and temperature and relationship between heat and other forms of energy, right? Now the third one is the optics. So it deals with the properties of light, working of mirrors, lenses, prisms, microscopes, telescopes, etc. So are the topics of study in optics. Now the fourth one is the electricity. It deals with the study of electric current, electric devices. We also study heating and lightning effects, right? Chemical and magnetic effects of electricity, right? And the fifth one is the magnetism. So it deals with the properties of magnets and magnetic substances, right? So now we will talk about the modern physics. So it has been mostly developed in 20th century, right? So in modern physics we study about the structure of matter at the minute scale, or we can say the small scale of atoms and nuclei and their interaction with the various probes such as the electrons and the photons. Okay, so electrons are the positively charged subatomic particles that is found in all atoms, right? So photons are the subatomic particles only, right? So studies under the heading modern physics includes following subjects, right? So first one is the atomic and the molecular physics. So right, so it is the study of the physical properties of atoms and molecules, right? And the next one is the nuclear physics. So it deals with the structure of atomic nucleus and the radiation from the unstable nuclei, right? And the third one is the electronics. So it is the study of electron behavior, flow and control under different conditions, right? And the next one is the quantum mechanics. So it describes the behavior of nature at and below the scale of atoms, right? And the last one is the semiconductor physics. It is the study of materials, or we can say the study of materials that allow the passage of electric current. So I hope now you have understood each and everything. Thank you so much.